Hey, everybody, welcome to Grow Your Business Big Daily. Today's quick business tip is something that I find a lot of business people don't think about or think enough about. And that is getting all of their affairs in order. There's so many things from a legal standpoint to get in order, but estate planning is one of the most important things that whether you have it, whether you need it, whether you need to update it. I remember when my dad passed away unexpectedly, we realized that we hadn't updated our estate plan in 15 years, and so much of it was outdated. And life just gets busy. So I thought our quick tip of the day, we'd have my good friend and incredible attorney, Randy Denha, denhalaw.com, to talk for a minute about the importance of estate planning. Randy, I appreciate you shedding some light into it. You do business law. I mean, you're a renowned attorney. You're doing business, with everybody. But what are some things that people should be thinking a little bit more about when it comes to estate planning?
Yeah, estate planning really consists of 4 legal documents at a high level. It consists of a special kind of will called a pour-over will, which pours everything over into the living trust. Your living trust, which is the who, what, why of planning. Really, where are your assets going to go? How are they going to be divvied up among your children? What do you want to leave your surviving spouse? Who do you want to appoint as trustee? Then also powers of attorney for healthcare and financial matters. Who's going to make those very important decisions in the event of your disability or incapacity? You can't leave it to chance because, as I always say, that if you don't plan, the government will plan for you.
Yeah.
So make sure you give that gift to your family and do what's right while you're still healthy and able.
Yeah. And so what are things that people should do? It's like, to me, everybody needs an estate attorney. And so, what's the first step? Because I think sometimes people are overwhelmed. They don't know what to do. What's the first step?
Yeah, I can tell you, John, that irrespective of somebody's net worth, everybody, as you correctly state, needs an estate plan.
Yeah.
Whether you're worth, $100,000 or $100 million, it doesn't matter because the probate court does not discriminate. Probate is a process that I often describe as a lawsuit that you file against yourself and then you lose.
Yeah.
Why? Because probate involves time, delays, and publicity. We all lead private lives. Why should that change if we pass away? Why do estate planning? You're putting together documents and you're putting together your thoughts and all of life experiences. So you make sure you pass that down to your family without any court interference and free of any Uncle Sam's confiscatory taxes. So start small, find an estate planning attorney, find a good accountant, and talk to them and get an idea in terms of putting together your thoughts and ideas on how you might want your documents to provide for your family. Because again, it's so important to plan. And there have been many notables in history that you thought had plans and they didn't. And then you can read about what happened to their families after they passed away without the proper planning.
No, I unfortunately have had a lot of death in people in my family, and everybody has had their affairs in order. And I know a lot of people who have not, and it has been a horrible experience. I think one of the number one things that everybody needs to do is just pick up the phone and call an estate attorney. So tell everybody, if they want to connect with you, Randy, how they can connect with you.
Sure. You can call me at 248-265-4100 or visit my website. All my contact information is there, even my mobile phone at www.denhalaw.com.
Yeah, I love it. And not only, we're talking about estate planning right here, right now in this quick tip, but succession planning within your business, all of those things, they all relate and they're all connectable. So Randy, I appreciate you shedding some light on the importance of estate planning, getting your legal affairs in order. Appreciate you as everything that you're doing to help a lot of people. And thanks, man, for taking a couple minutes to give everybody a little piece of a tip to go into the weekend and think about. Thanks, buddy.
Thank you, John.